Hello guys, my name is Jeferson Costa, I'm a chemical process engineer and I'm here today to teach you how to use adjusted operation in Unisim and also Aspen HYSYS. Before we start, you can join my Telegram channel in process. It is my free mentoring channel to guide you in chemical process engineering and plant design. You just need to click in the link in this video description and get exclusive content there and much more. First things first, in Unisim Online Help, you'll find that the adjusted operation varies the value of one string variable to meet a required value or specification in another string or operation. In this example, we need to use a water pump to feed the battery limit with water at 6.5 bar, and the battery limit is 25 meters away. So we need to set the pump discharge pressure considering the piping pressure drop to get 6.5 bar at the OSBL. This is a trial and error iteration, and we can do that manually, or we can use the adjusted operation available at Unisim and Aspen HYSYS to do the calculation for us. To set the pump discharge pressure manually, we just need to define the pump out pressure. So if I want to have 6.5 bar at the battery limit, and considering that I have a pressure drop crossing the piping, I need to choose a value that is higher than 6.5 bar. First, I will try 7 bar and see the result. In that case, we see that OSBL pressure is below the required pressure of 6.5 bar. Now I will set 7.5 bar and see if we reach the result that we want. See that this time the pressure at the OSBL is above the desired pressure or required pressure, that is 6.5 bar. However, we know that the best pump discharge pressure is between 7 and 7.5 bar. Instead of doing try and error until we reach the best pump discharge, now I will add the adjust operation. First, we go to the object palette and look for the A symbol inside a losango. This is the adjusted operation, and we add that to the screen, and double clicking on that we need to set two fields. The first one is the adjusted variable and the second one is the target variable. The adjusted variable is that one that Unisim or Aspen HYSYS will vary or do the try and error iteration automatically in order to get the target variable. In this case, we want to vary the pump outlet pressure in order that with the pressure drop in the piping, we reach 6.5 bar at the battery limit. When we select the variable, I need to go to pump out and choose the variable pressure. So, okay. And now we'll choose the target variable. In this case is the OSBL and pressure. Okay again, and we need to set what is the target. In this case the target is 6.5. It already did the iteration. You can see that it was very fast, and as a result we have at pump discharge 7.24 bar. As it was too fast, I will did that again to you follow. Now let's suppose that instead of 6.5 bar, we want to have 8 bar at the OSBL. In this case, we return to the adjust operation and set 8 at the target value. The Unisim run automatically the iteration, however, as it considering only 10 iterations per time, and as it didn't reach the result, Unisim or Aspen HYSYS will ask you if you want to continue with the iterations. Instead of choosing yes, I will click on no, and we can set the parameters for the adjust operation. In that case, we go to operations, and instead of a maximum iteration of 10, I will consider 1000, and I can adjust also the tolerance and the initial step size. It is very useful when you are handling a more complex simulation. We return, and now I click on continue, and Unisim will continue doing the iterations. Now I'll do a last change in this simulation, and we observe the adjust operation. Let's suppose that during your simulation review, your senior engineer identified that the liquid velocity is too high, and because of that you are having a higher pressure drop. See that we have around 0.75 bar pressure drop. In order to decrease that, we can increase the pipe size. In this case, I do a double click in the pipe segment and click on view. And right now we are using a 1-inch pipe, and I go to view, and I will choose a higher pipe. Let's suppose 1.5-inch pipe size. And you can see that the liquid velocity decreased, and that the pump discharge pressure decreased from 8.7 around that to 8.1. It means that the power required to this pump is lower, and because of that the OPEX of your plant will be lower also. So my friends, this is the way that we use adjusted operation to make our life easier. Keep following my channel, and you will be much more of Unisim and Aspen HYSYS tips. Before I go, I would like to invite you to visit my website jefersoncosta.com. There you will find links for my other social media like YouTube, Telegram, LinkedIn, and also more information about chemical process engineering plant design in my blog. This is it for today. See you soon in another video.